What's up? Dan with Fishing in the Twin Cities here with Tacklewarehouse unboxing. So we're just gonna jump right into it. Nothing that awful exciting. I can't even remember what I ordered. Okay. Don't need that. So, first thing I ordered was 2 packs of 2 Gambler Little Easy Black and Blue Flakes swim baits. I use these for chatterbait trailers. I think they're really good for chatterbait trailers. So, thing 1. Thing 2, some Gamakatsu trailer hooks, 3/0. Just nice to have around. Some 5/8 ounce tungsten flipping weights by Picasso. Tungsten 2-taps, the 1/2 ouncers in gold with gold black back, chili craw, something like that. Sexy shad and chrome shad. Next, I'm excited about, and then some 3/0 more 3/0 flipping hooks. I'm really excited about these. First one is Shimano Canon 150. I'm gonna get a couple right-handed reels. That way I have them. What is this? The 6.3-to-1. And the second one I got is a Corrado 200 PG, which I already have a Corrado, but I figured I might as well get a second one, but this time slower. So the PG is I believe the slowest Corrado that they make. Yeah, it is. It is super slow. That is god awful slow. But you know, I'll oil these up and do a review on them. So this has been Dan with Fishing in the Twin Cities. Stay safe.